apps affairs show you.
How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram conversation. So if you turn on vanish mode in a conversation and now you want to turn off it, here's how to do it. First of all, open your Instagram and tap on this message icon. And now go to the conversation. And now tap on the conversation name at the top. And here you'll find the vanish mode. When it's turned on, seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So to turn off vanish mode, just disable this option. And that's it. This is how we can take off vanish mode on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.